Right, the first one. So please write number 1, then write the short explanation under that. Can change the name. You can change the name using that. Type of file in the type of file or the folder is in the second one. The location means path of the file or folder from the drive. So can you tell me what is the drive here? What is the drive?
The hard disk.
Yeah, what is the drive? So what is the drive basically? Yes, hard disk. Drive means from actually which partition or which area of the hard disk I'm referring to.
Documents.
Yes.
E-soft.
No, it's C. It's C. Right? It's C drive. So drive is C. You name the drive as with the letter. So here drive is C. So can you see what is there in your one? Is it C or D or anything else? When you see the
It is C, sir.
Yes? Is it C or D?
C.
C.
Is C,
C,
sir.
sir.
C, right, okay. That is called C. So how many drives you have in your computer? How to see that? How many drives you have in your computer?
3.
3?
I have 3, sir.
3. How to check that?
Go to Windows Explorer and
Yes,
come
you
to
can
the
press Windows and E key. You can go to the Explorer. There you can see I have like C, D, E drives. And if you have pen drives, that will also be mentioned here. Pen drive plug කරලා තියෙනවනේ. ඒවත් මෙතන පෙන්නනවා. If you have pen drives, you can see those things also. So plug the pen drive and see. That will come to the removable drive. Here I have only F drive, which is my DVD drive. And in addition to that, I have C, D, and E drive. Press Windows E, then click on the computer. Windows E press කරලා computer එක උඩ click කරන්න. එහෙම නැත්නම් this PC කියලා තියෙන්නේ. Please click on this PC. Then you will see the drives and okay. Right. Windows E and click on this PC. This PC කියන එක උඩ click කරන්න. Then you can see all the drives. So can you change the name of the drive? C, D, E. Can you change the letter name?
No, sir.
You can.
And sir.
How?
No, sir.
How to change?
Right click the disk and go to rename.
So likewise, no, you can change the name. Right click rename, you can change the name only. Here local disk I can name as movies. I can change the name. But I cannot change the basically I cannot change the drive DEC. Can you change that? I'm asking whether can you change that?
No, sir.
It can be
No,
changed.
sir.
There's a place you can change it. Right? You can right click on the computer and go to manage. Right click on computer or this PC ke hari, computer ke hari, right click and you can go to the manage. In manage, you have disk management. There you have disk management. Here. In the disk management, basically don't do this to C drive. You can select any other drive. C එක වෙනස් කරන්න එපා. C එක ඒ විදිහට තියන්න. You can go to any other drive like this D and I can right click, change drive letter and paths, and I can change this to maybe let's say Z. Now I am changing this D to Z. Now you can see it's changed. It's Z now here. You can see movies Z. Right? You can change. Right click and right click on this PC or computer, go to manage. In computer management, you will get something like this. There, please select disk management. Under this management, you can right click on any drive and change the letter. That is the way to change the drive letter. Renaming will change the name of the drive only. Anyone need help to do that? Or have you done that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you need help or
Need help, sir.
need help? Okay. Then, yes, sir, can you share the screen? Okay, can you share the screen now? Then others will help, right? Okay, let's say share the screen, yes, sir. Share the screen and share the desktop, right? You can do this now. A green color button eකට ගිහිල්ලා share කරන්න. වෙනනවනේ the share screen කියලා button එක. Can you see? Chat වලට එහා පැත්තේ. Right side of the chat you have share screen button. Yes, Ali.
Yes, sir.
Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Sir, there are so many things. Screen, whiteboard, iPhone, libraries,
No.
Zoom, cloud meetings. That's it, sir.
So you are using computer or mobile phone?
Computer, sir.
ඔයාගේ පේන්නේ නැද්ද? Security, participants, chat, share screen.
Can see it, sir.
Click on share screen. Share screen කියලා.
Click, sir.
ඒතන එනවා desktop කියලා එකක් තියෙන එක select කරන්න. Desktop, select it. Share screen.
There is no
Share screen ගියා මොකක්ද ඔයාලට එන්නේ? Share screen ගියාම එන්නේ. Whiteboard එකට කලින්.
screen, whiteboard.
Screen කියන එකට යන්නකො screen කියන එක. Then what you can see? Here. Now we can, it's sharing, right? Now we can see. Right, how the may. So who was asking question? Yes. You're in the practicals also you can do that, but now itself if you need help, get it. Hari, now please right click on the computer. Yes, Ali. Right click on the computer. Not that computer. Computer කියලා තියෙන්නේ මේ පැත්තේ. උඩින්ම තියෙන දෙවනි එක. Second one. In the corner. Right click on the desktop. And go to manage. Go to manage. Right. So who has the question? Yes. Denori. So what you can do is okay, yes කරන්න පුතේ. ඒක ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ. ඒක yes කරන්න. It won't affect your computer. Don't worry. Please yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now you can see, go to the disk management. All right, that one. Then you can see this. And now click on, you can click on E drive. E එකට යන්නකෝ. E එක. Just click, right click. You can see change drive letter and paths. Right, click on that. And then you can change this. Go to the change button. Please go to the change button. And from that, select any letter. Drop down and select any letter. Let's select Y, letter Y. Y select karan open. Okay, that's it. Click Y and click OK. It will give some message, click OK. Yes. Now your drive letter has changed. Now press Windows key and E key. Windows එකයි E key එකයි press කරලා බලන්න. Windows key and E key. Windows key E key. Keyboard එකේ පුතේ. Windows key එකයි E key එකයි එකපාර press කරන්න keyboard එකේ. Windows key එක දන්නවනේ ද keyboard එකේ දන්නේ නැද්ද? අර කොඩියක් වගේ තියෙන්නේ. That flag key එකයි E අකුරයි එකපාර press කරන්න. Or if it is difficult, please go to the Explorer. හරි ඒක අමාරුයි නම් Explorer එකට යන්නකෝ. මේ යට තියෙන libraries කියලා එක click කරන්න. Click කරන්න. click කරලා open කරන්න. Right, you open it. Right, now you can see here Y drive is there. Computer පැත්තේ තියෙන Y drive. Okay, so that's how you change the drive letter. Others can also do that, right? Denori, I think you have done it.
Thank you, sir.